I put a spell on you, and now you're gone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I am sincerely Niko. I know I've been gone for a moment, now I'm back for the gentle. But we are going to be doing this Halloween look right here for Halloweek. This is a easy Halloween look that requires few and minimum products. I am now using the WetNWild paint pot in black, and I am now drawing out the mask shape of Batman. Yes, honey, Batman. So if you have any Halloween parties that you're going to and you don't know what you want to do or don't know what you want to wear and you don't have the money to get a whole full costume, you can dress in all black and do this look right here and just keep it real simple and real cute, you know? So I'm just outlining the shape that I want to create for my mask with this black paint pot from WetNWild. Majority of the products that I'm going to be using are from WetNWild. No, this video is not sponsored, but WetNWild, if you see this, holla at your girl. Send me a check. But other than that, we're just going to draw out the shape. Next, we're going to take the Photo Focus Foundation. I'm using the shade Mahogani, and we're going to kind of clean up the shape of the mask. We're not going to do a whole full face foundation because, of course, we're going to be partying and we're going to be turning up and getting lit. So the less is best. All the makeup is going to be more or less in the center of the face. Not really going to be doing a lot of highlighting and contouring. We're just going to put the face mask on, clean up with a little bit of foundation so that the face mask look cute and prestigious and clean like it was done by a professional, and we're gonna keep it pushing, honey. This is easy peasy, quick and easy Halloween look. Alright, so next we're going to take an eyeshadow palette. Any eyeshadow palette of your choice. I'm going to take this one from Shop Push in Bad Habit called the Aphrodite palette. And I'm going to be using this black eyeshadow in the palette. It is really easy and nice to pop on top of that cream paint pot so that it can kind of matte and stick on the skin for longevity. You always want to set your creams with powders. And this is my version of setting my cream with a powder. So black on black makes it even more better and it don't crack. So next we're going to take this liquid eyeshadow from WetNWild. It's one of their mermaid collection eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, catsuit, whatever it's called. And it's in the shade called Laurel's Cove. It's a greenish black, but it has like a silverish tint pull to it. I popped this on the high planes of the face where I want to kind of highlight if I was using an actual highlighter, just so that the mask can kind of get a little bit of dimension created into it so it doesn't look too flat and black. I wanted to do this just to kind of give it some pop, some pizzazz, of course. Alright, so after we achieve the look, we're going to go ahead and pop on a little bit of concealer on the eyes because we're going to do a little grungy, worn out. I've been saving the whole entire Gotham City eye look. So we're just going to take the same shadows out of that Athena palette. We're going to take a red, a deeper brown, and a cool tone brown. And we're just going to pop that on the eyes just to kind of get that worn in, tired. I have a restless lifestyle eye look. Alright, so we're going to pop on a little bit of mascara. This is the Umbe mascara from Milk Makeup. This is an OG classic. I constantly rebuy this because I love the 3-prong wand. It just literally gets everything on point. Next, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of gloss onto the lips. I'm going to add a little bit of Fenty gloss bomb. You guys know I love this gloss bomb so much. You don't have to put on a lipstick unless you like to do so. But me, I want to kind of keep it neutral. And that's me looking into the bottle to see if I'm running a little bit low, and I am. So I need to repurchase her ASAP. And there you go, guys. This is the completed look. Batman, unrestless, untamed, and ready to slay. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy peasy, easy Halloween look. If you did so, make sure you guys subscribe. Come back to see my next video tomorrow, and I will see you guys later.
Shout out to the shooters in the